So, I've got this Apple AirTag, and I noticed the other day when I was first looking at the release of these that they didn't come with any sort of hole in them to put them on a key ring, which I thought was really not a good idea and a bad design. So I decided I'd get one and see if it's possible to put a hole into one. And before I could even do that, someone online released a video of them doing it. So I figured I would try it as well. Fancy packaging. So I got 2 drill bits here. I think I'm going to start off with the smaller, the 3/32. If it doesn't work, we'll go to the larger one. This is going to make a pretty good little holder for it too while I drill it. Just twist. So it does work. Oh, there we go. Twist the other way. That's really weird. Okay. Got that out. Apparently where we want to drill is right here. I'm going to make sure you can see it really good when I do it. We want to be right there. In the video, this right here is where they showed you wanted to make the hole right in front of this mounting spot, but in this gray on the outside. So right there is where we're gonna drill it. Turn your drill on low. Okay, let's hope this works. Here goes nothing, folks. All the way through. Clean it up good and nice. Get all the trash out from around it. We could actually clean it up a little bit more if we wanted to. Get it good and clean. Let's put it back together and see does it work. Yep. You hear that? Still works. Hear that? Still works. There we go, the back's back on it. Let's try putting it on a key ring. I just couldn't pass up the opportunity to drill a hole in an Apple product. Bingo. There it is.